Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pasta Jamaican style. Heat oil, sauté garlic and onions until soft, then add scotch bonnet, thyme, and allspice. Brown your protein or vegetables with a light char, then deglaze the pan with stock and a splash of coconut milk. Toss in cooked pasta, finish with scallions and fresh lime juice, taste for salt, and serve with chopped cilantro for brown. Start with pantry staples and a couple of fresh items for punch. Use scotch bonnet carefully for authentic heat and balance it with creamy coconut milk to avoid overpowering the dish. Fresh scallions and cilantro at the end add lively contrast to the warm spices and caramelized bits. This balance keeps the pasta flavorful without masking textures, making each bite exciting and well-rounded for family meals. Brown meat or sauté vegetables until they have a golden edge to deepen the taste profile. Keep a cup of pasta water handy so you can loosen the sauce a bit and help it adhere to the pasta for a silky finish. Always finish with a splash of lime or vinegar to lift the dish and balance the coconut and spice. Then taste and adjust seasoning before serving warm to your guests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.